look and more crisp don't come out. Girl, you're not making sense. Mom, they're not scrambling. They don't look right. Mom, they're not gonna eat this. It don't look right.
It's scrambling.
You hear the sizzle? No, it's not. It smells like no scrambled eggs. You hear the sizzle? It don't. It look weird.
What, Asa?
Ooh, it's sizzling.
It's supposed to sizzle.
I like it.
Mom, this don't look right. Where's the sauce? That do not look right.
That's right.
No, it does not.
No, yes it is.
Mom, no, it's not.
The eggs are supposed to look like that.
Okay, but it don't look like scrambled eggs.
They're done.
They're done?
Yeah. Be careful.
But it's not enough. It's sizzling.
Get girls.
Do I need to flip it?
Get it, girls.
What type of eggs are those? For real? Do they look like?
Trinity. They're regular eggs.
That's what I said. The eggs don't look right. Like, they don't look like eggs.
That look like that.